Hello Live Wires, Heather Boyd Wire here, and today it's Tip Tuesday. Today we're making these beautiful dangling earrings made with the Artistic Wire Deluxe Jig Kit and my favorite miracle beads. And without further ado, let's get wired. I'm using the Artistic Wire Deluxe Jig Kit and the 20 gauge German style wire, also the 22 gauge artistic wire, and some 6mm miracle beads. My tools are the Beadalon Slimline Series chain nose and round nose pliers, their Glimmer Series nipper tool, their nylon jaw pliers, and their bail making pliers. On the jig, I've set up the pegs on the diagonal. Be sure to put the plugs on the back of the pegs. I will measure 1 inch on a 6-inch piece of the 20 gauge German style wire, place it to the left of the pegs, hold it firmly, and twist the wire around the pegs, being sure to pull the wire as you go to make a nice smooth curve. You really want to hold that wire in place, bring it around, back and forth around the pegs to make a wavy formation. Go up and down. Now we won't have enough pegs, so you're going to have to lift the curve, bring it over, replace it on the pegs, and continue with your waves as you go. If you prefer, you can use the bail making pliers to do this same wavy configuration. Bring the wire up and down, and then we're going to make sure we have enough of the curves. We need 7. You need an uneven number, so you might have to lift it up again, place it, hold it, and bring the wire around so both ends are going up. From there we'll get our nylon jaw pliers to flatten it out a little bit. You could give it a little hammer if you prefer. We really want to straighten it out. Make sure it's even and flat. And now we're going to take our round nose pliers, go to the center wave, and bring the pieces down. So we have a little loop at the top and it's closed at the bottom of the loop. Just keep wiggling it around until the waves line up. Again, you can get your nylon jaw pliers to even it out. Then I'll get a 5-inch piece of 22 gauge artistic wire, secure it at the top, and then give it a little half bend straight down. I'll get a 6mm miracle bead. You guys know these are my favorite beads. They're made of acrylic, they're lightweight, and they have a really cool glow luminescence to them. They don't glow in the dark, but they have a beautiful deep color to them. Put the next one on, place it, hold it with your thumb and finger, and then twist the wire below. Bring it around a couple of times to the front, hold the wire and give it a half turn straight down. Then we'll put our last bead, bring it in place. This would be really pretty with crystal beads as well. Sky is the limit. We'll secure it around the bottom of the last bead. Bring it around a couple of times. Finish it at the back. Get your flush cutters and give it a little clip. Remove the bottom wire and then clip it at the top. Make sure you have a good pair of flush cutters to make a clean cut. Press it with the nylon jaw pliers. Again at the bottom. Do any little adjusting that you need. Straighten out the wires. have them come down at an angle. Measure about 1 inch, making sure both ends of the wires are the same length. Take your round nose pliers and turn the end. These are my fine round nose pliers. They're also really useful when you want a small loop. I'll link up all my tools in the description below the video. So bring it around and get your nylon jaw pliers to finish the curve. Bring the spiral right up, flip it, hold the spiral and rotate it up below the beads. The nylon jaw pliers are really useful for spirals. Make sure they're even. For the hooks, we'll get 2 pieces of 1 3/4 inch German style wire, and using the bail making pliers, we're going to make them both at once. The German style wire is suitable for earring hooks if your ears are not too sensitive. They are nickel compliant, but if you have sensitive ears, you can use a hypoallergenic wire. We're going to clip the ends so they're the same length, separate them, and we'll get our burr cup tool, or you can use a jewelry file to soften the ends. Open up the loop on the hook, put on your earring, close it up, and there are your beautiful earrings made with the Artistic Wire Deluxe Jig Kit. Thanks so much for watching the video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for lots more wire art and jewelry making tutorials. Join the Wire Makers Club on Facebook to share pictures of your wire art and wire jewelry. Hop over to the Wire Lady TV channel every Wednesday at 1:30 p.m. Eastern Time, where I troubleshoot new ideas for wire art and jewelry, and I welcome your ideas and special requests. There's also templates, tutorials, and ebooks. You can use the coupon code SAVE25 to save 25% when you purchase any 5 templates, tutorials, or ebooks in my Etsy DIY shop. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you the next time.